Kitty. You have a code for Kitty. Can we borrow your magic wand, Papa Bear?
Sure, my magic wand is ready for that.
I need your full authority.
Yes, full authority. I love it. So go ahead, Jeffrey, for your code.
Jeffrey, you say, this is my code.
This is my code.
You with me?
Papa Bear, code of the day.
Papa Bear, code of the day.
Are you with me?
Code of the day.
Are you with me?
Are you with us, Papa Kiko and Papa Bear?
Yes, we're with you.
Yes, we are.
This is the code that I made from my mind and to my soul. And I'm sorry if there is some incorrect grammar.
That's okay.
Don't
Go ahead.
think too much about the problems in life. There are just test papers given by God to see how much we learn in His subject called life. If you think you failed, don't worry, because He is always ready to give remedial classes. So renew through prayers and have the perfect score of happiness.
Are you with me?
Papa Bear, code of the day.
Papa Bear, code of the day.
Are you with me?
Code of the day.
Are you with me? Wow, fantastic.
Oh my God.
Fantastic, Jeffrey.
Where did you get that?
That is part of my
Your mind and your
life
soul?
because I'm a born-again Christian.
Every day you are reading quotes that will inspire you.
Yeah, that's why. If I hear that quote, I not only read, I apply what.
Wow, that's nice. You
Yeah.
apply it every day of your life.
Yeah.
That's good.
Application is better than cure.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
That is true, right?
I would
Okay.
like to, again, I will tell you,
Yes.
the two of you,
Yes.
I'm so proud that you are here in that station.
Wow, thank you. Oh, you know, a lot of texters saying here that they are nosebleeding na because a lot of them entertain, ang tawag dito, nawawala na ako
Kaya
eh.
mo yan, bro. Kaya mo yan.
They are entertained a lot.
Yeah.
Papa Kiko and Papa Bear and Jeffrey, give me your number. I love your tongue. Tongue. You're good in English daw eh.
Can I see your tongue? Sabi
Yeah.
dito. Can I
Ito,
tongue
Papa Bear,
you? Yes, yes,
I
Jeffrey.
know the reason why I'm always speaking English when I call to you.
Why?
Why?
Most of the foreigners, America, German, and other nationalities in
Yes.
the Philippines,
Yes.
the problem of them,
Yes.
they are goes down our mindset.
Goes down.
Goes down.
Mm-hmm.
And you know,
Yeah.
you must be proud because you know the president
That is the
of
problem on that.
the Korean president now.
Papa Kiko, Papa Bear, just wait,
Let me
just
talk
wait,
first, Jeffrey. I have a very good example because
Papa Bear, Papa Kiko.
okay.
Sila.
Jeffrey,
Sila.
Jeffrey, are you with us, Jeffrey?
Yeah. My
Okay.
girlfriend told me.
Pagkatapos mo magsalita ng Tagalog, in English ka ngayon.
No, because my girlfriend speak Tagalog. That's why.
Okay. Let me finish. Sabi ko kanina, the Korean president do not know how to speak English because Obama was there.
Huh?
Yeah, they are chit-chatting, you know? They are talking, but this Korean president do not know how to speak English, but you are good one.
So you're better than the Korean president.
Yeah, better than your dad.
Papa Bear, don't make
Yes.
like a ball, huh?
What?
Don't make like a ball, binobola.
No, I'm not bullying you, Papa. Bullying. I'm telling the truth, Papa. Congratulations, you're good in English.
Okay, stay there.
Okay?
Okay.
Good dog. Papa Kiko and Papa Bear, talk to Papa Nosebleed, mga
Yeah.
kabarangay, with Jeffrey, Philippines. Pagkarating niyo po galing airport, daan po kayo ng Jeffrey. Yan po ang aming kasama ngayong hapong to. Meron tayong eksena sa barangay, hindi ko maisingit, pero mamaya na lang pagbalik natin, babalik po ang talk to Papa sa ating second hour. Dito lang yan sa barangay LS 97.1.
Ayos, dude.
Nyo mga kabarangay, 924-3093, yan po ang aming iOS hotline, 927-8862.
Maayos na talk to Papa sa nakikinig ng replay ngayong oras na ito at mga nakikinig sa ating GMA Pinoy TV. Worldwide po tayo ngayon Text lang kabarangay sa mga nais magparating ng kanilang mga hinaing. Radio space, greet LSFM, space mga mensahe, 2311 sa Globe TM at San 350 sa Smart at Talk and Text. Thank you sa coffee na nagdala sa akin ngayon.
Tinatanong ko kasi kung alin dyan na may dura eh. Kasi may dura sa'yo yun eh.
Oo nga, okay lang.
Talk to Papa Barangay, kapiling pa rin natin si the nosebleed guy, Jeffrey. Jeffrey,
Yes?
thank you.
Papa Bear.
Thank you for waiting, okay?
I hear that there is a saliva in the coffee.
No, it's just a joke.
It's just a personal joke. We have this personal joke.
Yes, because
We have this guy named Tony.
Tony,
Tony is the one who make our coffee every
Yes.
day.
because every day, every time we are in our program, we drink coffee because this is our habit, daily habit.
Because coffee is still best for baby until 26 years old.
Yeah.
Caffeine.
What?
Any caffeine.
Many caffeine. Yes, that's okay. Not cocaine. Okay? Caffeine is accepted. But please, not cocaine.
Yes.
Okay?
Caffeine.
Caffeine. Okay.
Please
Oh.
understand my pronunciation.
Ay, that's A-okay. Okay? That's okay, yes.
My girlfriend now is here, our station right now. Here.
Can we talk to her, to your girlfriend, if you don't mind?
He has no landline.
He has, oh my God, he's a he.
No,
Oh my. She has no landline.
Okay,
but
it's okay.
he's listening right now.
You know, people are texting.
Yes.
For you, Jeff.
Yes.
Somebody says, Jeff, kung may time ka next week, pasyal tayo, ikaw bahala kung saan mo gusto punta, ako bahala gastos, basta labas tayo, hanap tayo bote, bakal, plastic, lata, yero, at pulot. Pulot, ikaw bit-bit.
Yeah, I know that already. because
Okay ba yun?
it's a joke.
Jeffrey, somebody said,
Yes.
your coat is an old one.
Yeah, that's true. That is old one, but I apply.
You know,
Even if the coat is old,
Yes,
if there is a new coat but you not apply,
yes.
that's the problem today.
therefore you are appliances.
I know.
Okay, yes.
No,
So you apply.
You apply. Very good.
I do what I hear.
Yes. You know, Jeffrey, we have a lot of audience who are... Yes, a lot.
Audience.
Because you are... Audience.
Yeah.
Because you are the caller, and they're in accounting department of Philippine Information Agency.
PIA? Oh my, PIA people are listening?
Yes.
You don't have safety? Oh my God.
The PIA is listening right now.
I used to do my OJT at PIA.
Oh, how was it, Papa?
Oh my God, it's so sakit sa ulo. Like the officials, there's a
Yeah.
lot of messages. You have to relate to the people.
Meaning we are not...
And alright.
We are not penetrating that offices, so we're proud. We're proud. Thank you so much, PIA.
Back to you, Jeff. But before that, Jeff, I have eksena sa barangay, pero I decided tomorrow na lang.
Why?
Kasi the second...
No.
No, not because of you, because it's already the second hour of the show, so we don't have that time to discuss it, so better save it for tomorrow.
If it's
I
okay, Papa Kiko, if we entertain another caller and let Jeffrey advise in English.
Because I know you're tanatamad. Don't use Jeffrey, Papa Bear.
No, Papa, I'm just
I'm
suggesting.
just kidding.
Yeah,
Right? Jeffrey, you'll be Papa Jeffrey at the moment, okay? You talk to the caller on the other line. Is that okay?
But I need your help sometimes.
No help. No help. Do it alone.
Oh.
You can do it by yourself. Okay?
Yeah, I did
Okay.
it myself.
You say hello. The moment I said go, you say hello, okay?
Okay.
Go.
Hello.
Okay, Jeffrey, you answered.
I cannot hear the caller.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Yes.
Babae to, babae.
Yes. I know what is your problem.
You ask for the name first.
May I know your name?
And don't forget to mention the Talk to Papa program. This is
hello.
Talk to Papa.
Hello?
Talk to Papa.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon po.
My name is Shanti.
Yan.